back, sweet friends. What I have, this came from Hobby Lobby. This is 3 of the paper mache houses, and they're actually nested inside. $10.99 for this. And let's see. This would be a really fun project, guys, for your family if you wanted to do like some gingerbread houses. Here's a small one. Here's the medium. And then here's the large one. Now, I actually seen this done on Instagram, and I don't know the person that did it. I just run across, but I thought, how cute of an idea. Now, I know that they're already brown. You could always leave them, but I got this honeycomb folk art matte paint, and I think this is going to be a prettier color. And then this is called a puffy paint. This is made by Tulip. Now, I could only, at Hobby Lobby, you could probably find this at different craft stores, but at Hobby Lobby, which is close to me, the only white they had was in this. So I may have to use this white, but I'll probably give the rest to my daughter. She likes to do little art projects at home in the wintertime, so she might can use those. And if not, I'll put them in the booth and sell them. But this whole set was like $12.99 at Hobby Lobby. And I think these were like, I'm not sure, like $2.99, something like that. But I did order this one for $5.92, the bigger bottle, on Amazon.com. I just have a little paintbrush on hand. But how great and how cute of an idea for family night. Of course, you know, all my kids are up and grown, but I wanted to make a little gingerbread house for my shelves up in my kitchen. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to speed up the painting process, but I'll slow down the rest so that you can see what I'm doing with the puffy paint. My houses are now dry. I'm going to do one and give you an example of how to use the puffy paint. Now, guys, I've never done this before. This is the first time for me on using this puffy paint, so we'll see how it goes. And I mainly want this one for my kitchen, but I'm going to start on this little one. So if I make a lot of mistakes, you know, I'll learn and not do it on this one. But I will speed up the process once I get going and we get a general idea of what we want to do. Okay, let me set these aside and let's go ahead and get started. Now, I guess you could glue these together. Let's go ahead and do, I would be able to do the roof if I take this apart and the front side. So I don't know, I am going to do the sides. I'm not going to do the back. As you can see, as I'm starting out, it's best to go ahead and do your middle parts first, like in between the roof eaves and everything like that, because where I'm doing the outline here on this first one, then I wind up hitting it and having to stop and clean up. So if you do the bottom part of the roof first and then do the chimney and the top like I'm doing here, save all that for last. Do the inner parts first, that way you're not touching it with your hands or with the bottle. So I learned that as we go along. And I think this one bottle is going to do all three. And of course, the matte honeycomb paint, probably used half of that to paint all three of these houses. Hey guys, I just want to take a minute and introduce myself. I'm Rebecca, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos that I have for you. So you guys get the general idea of how to use this puffy paint, and I am just having a blast doing this, and I know that you will also. And what a fun project to do with your family. And so I will link all of the information down in the description box below. And I couldn't find these in the store, but I did order it on Hobby Lobby online. So let me go ahead and speed it up, and we'll do a little bit more decorating on these houses, and then I'll show you what they all look like at the end.